HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996. Let's see the overview of HIPAA.
HIPAA protects the privacy and security of patients' medical information. It ensures that sensitive health data remains safe and confidential. Healthcare providers, health plans and insurers, and business associates must comply. The security rule safeguards electronic protected health information, or PHI. The transactions rule standardizes how healthcare data is exchanged. The enforcement rule sets penalties for violations. Patients can access their medical records, they can request corrections to their information, and they have the right to know how their information is shared. Violations can lead to fines of up to $50,000 per incident. Serious breaches may even result in criminal charges. HIPAA safeguards patient trust through privacy, security, and accountability. Thank you for watching. Stay compliant, stay secure.